Come test drive the 2015 Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.